Welcome to Hotel El Palace Barcelona, a truly extraordinary five-star retreat in the heart of Barcelona. Nestled in the vibrant Eixample district, you're just moments from the iconic Las Ramblas and prime shopping. Arrive in style with a requested limousine service, stepping into a world of timeless elegance. Opened in 1919, its neoclassical facade invites you to spacious, air-conditioned rooms with classic decor. Each room is a sanctuary, featuring satellite TV, a minibar, and a private bathroom with luxury amenities. Indulge in a range of culinary delights, from traditional tapas to an authentic British afternoon tea. Discover the urban oasis of the rooftop garden, offering panoramic city views and an outdoor swimming pool. Rejuvenate at the Mayan-style luxury spa or savor Mediterranean cuisine at Amar, Barcelona. With a fabulous breakfast and impeccable service, your unforgettable Barcelona escape begins here.